So the closing curly bracket is going to be at the end, and the opening is going to be at the beginning. As you can see, it's here. This is the opening, and this is the closing one. And then here I'm going to say else, and then curly brackets, and then in between I'm going to say echo, and then I'm going to display something. I'm going to say please fill in the form. So if the form has not been filled, if the user clicked on send message without typing the recipient and the message, then we need to display an error message. We need to say please fill in the form. And here we can say echo, and then we can do whatever we want. But of course, we don't need to do anything here because this will be executed anyways, and it will send the message. Let me now click on file and then save all, and now our script can send the message, but we still need to work on the receiver phone number. We need to change the recipient or receiver phone number. So instead of hard coding this number, so we need to get the phone number from the form, the receiver phone number from the form, because here it's hard coded. So I'm gonna remove this. I'm gonna first get the recipient. I'm gonna say form recipient phone. It's gonna be equal to $_post2. This is the recipient phone number. And then instead of using this, I'm gonna now remove this, and instead I'm gonna say here form recipient phone number, which means that this phone number that the user typed here, the recipient phone number, will be stored in the receiver phone number, and it will be used to send the message to that user, which means that the recipient phone number will receive the message that you will type here, or a user will type here. So if you type here a message, and if you type here a recipient phone number and click on send, this phone number will be stored here, and it will be transferred to this variable, and then this variable will be used throughout the script to send the message to that number, to this number. Now let me click on file and then save all, and now we can test.